The biggest threat to your solar investment is not a complex mechanical failure, but a permanent, invisible assault. Today, we are here to introduce a groundbreaking engineering invention that solves 4 critical problems in the industry simultaneously. Our promise to you. In this video, you will not only see the solution to these 4 challenges, dust, light loss, water management, and safety, but if you stay with us until the very end, you will receive a truly valuable philosophical bonus, the rebionics technique that can inspire all your future innovations. If you are looking for massive cost savings and the secrets to efficiency, stay tuned. Also, due to time constraints and the pace of development, the voice for this video has been generated using AI. We apologize in advance if the images, designs, and CFD clips you are seeing are not perfectly synchronized with the audio due to these same time limitations. Background of the invention. This invention directly relates to devices for protecting and enhancing the efficiency of optical systems. Specifically, photovoltaic panels and outdoor lighting units often suffer significant degradation due to the accumulation of dust on optical surfaces, especially in harsh environments like deserts. Furthermore, light lost at the edges of these systems causes a substantial reduction in overall performance. Prior art solutions, such as electromagnetic shields or vibration-based cleaners, only address dust removal and lack an integrated light guiding mechanism. Therefore, there is a clear, urgent need for a device that offers a combined solution for light guidance and dust deflection in a modular, edge-mountable form that is fully compatible with existing solar and lighting systems. Part 2. Core Solution Summary and Structure. This invention introduces an aerodynamic, dust repellent, and light reflective structure designed to improve the performance of photovoltaic, PV, panels, and lighting fixtures. The structure consists of 3 functional layers. Corrected section, 3 layers. This component is a 3-layer edgeguard system composed of a lower transparent layer that prevents dust accumulation or diverts airborne particles away from the surface, a 45-degree mirrored layer that redirects wasted or scattered sunlight back toward the PV surface to enhance light utilization, an upper transparent protective layer that shields the reflective layer from scratches, corrosion, and adverse environmental conditions. The outer aerodynamic form of the structure is designed to repel dust during windy conditions and minimize dust deposition on the surface of the panel. The mirrored layer reduces shading effects by reflecting sunlight toward the panel surface, which also helps in lighting fixtures by distributing light more widely across the environment. The protective inner layer increases durability by preventing damage such as scratching, corrosion, and deterioration under harsh weather conditions. This design also prevents accumulation of snow on the surface of the panel or lighting fixture. Its aerodynamic geometry allows water and melting snow to pass easily underneath, preventing buildup and accelerating snow removal. The structure can be installed easily on the outer edges of solar panels or lighting fixtures without requiring complex modifications. Installation is performed either by attaching the lower layer using adhesive or by using end clamps to connect the component to existing mounting structures. Detailed optics, angles, and efficiency. Delving into the technical justification and optical benefits. Detailed description. The optical technology. The 3-layer optical structure is a microengineering feat. The inner mirror layer, typically aluminum or silver-based, is optimized for high reflectivity. The key to its performance lies entirely in its geometry. The critical design angle. The transparent layers and the mirror layer are set at a specific orientation. The lower transparent layer is positioned at an angle of approximately 15 degrees relative to the optical surface for minimal loss. Most importantly, the internal mirror layer is optimized at an angle of approximately 45 degrees. Why 45 degrees? This precise angle provides the most effective pathway for capturing peripheral light or light lost at the edges and reflecting it efficiently back onto the panel's absorbing surface. This strategic reflection significantly contributes to increased light absorption in solar panels or improved uniformity of light in lighting systems. This is how we harness energy that others simply discard. The optical gain translates directly to performance. It recovers light that would otherwise be wasted, leading to a substantial increase in overall system efficiency. Part 4. Detailed mechanics and the crucial 4-in-1 functions. Integrating the mechanical and safety features to complete the 4-in-1 structure. Detailed description, mechanics, and multifunctionality. The flexible outer lip, which is shaped like a wiper blade and constructed from durable materials like silicone, has a purpose beyond just dust deflection. This lip is set at an optimal angle of approximately 60 degrees. We determined this angle through rigorous CFD analysis to achieve the highest possible particle deflection and minimize dust accumulation to a highly effective degree. But the true genius of this engineering idea is its 4-in-1 functionality. Fluid management. The drip edge. The flexible lip also acts as an engineered drip edge, actively separating and guiding rainwater or cleaning water away from the edge. This process prevents water from lingering and forming permanent mineral deposits, dramatically enhancing the system's self-cleaning capability. Snow management. As mentioned, the reflective layer aids in transferring solar heat to the edge, resulting in the accelerated melting of snow off the surface. Equipotential bonding. Safety. Crucially, the invention includes an integrated conductive strip that simplifies the vital operation of equipotential bonding between adjacent panels. This integrated solution streamlines the grounding process, eliminates the need for separate clamps, significantly boosts installation speed, and ensures consistent compliance with mandatory electrical safety codes. Part 5. Value proposition, branding, and the inventor's journey. This is more than a technical component. It is a commercially powerful engineering concept. It delivers a truly multifunctional solution that tackles 4 major challenges at once: higher performance, reduced maintenance, faster installation, and enhanced safety. This philosophy of simple, high-impact engineering is the foundation of the Econovoom channel. All the ideas and inventions presented on this channel are the result of 8 years of continuous research and development. We are confident that this innovation brings exceptional value to large-scale solar farms, smart city lighting systems, and mobile solar technologies, especially in harsh, dusty climates around the world. Part 6. Call to action. If the simplicity and engineering intelligence of this idea captured your attention, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Econovoom channel to support future research. I also invite you to explore the other inventions on this channel, all of which are the result of 8 years of continuous effort and research. A win-win call for collaboration. I believe that true progress is always the result of collaboration. Since the final development and commercialization of this invention requires joint effort, I welcome any scientific, manufacturing, or commercial partnership. Any comments, questions, or offers of assistance regarding this idea will be answered directly by me. The final slice of cake, Rebionics. And now, the final slice of cake, my gift to those who stayed with me until the very end. The concept behind this efficient design arises from a broader idea, bionics. Bionics takes inspiration from nature, but we take it one step further and call it rebionics. Rebionics means completing the cycle. Nature provides the initial inspiration, and inventors use scientific tools, such as CFD simulations and optical geometry, to engineer, optimize, and industrialize that idea. We take knowledge from nature and return it to the world as a safe, economical, and industrial solution. This philosophy is what transforms a simple idea into a global innovation.